Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get Unbanned from Mobile Legends for your banned account. As you can see, Mobile Legends plus application is already installed in my device, and this application allows you to get Unbanned for your Mobile Legends account. All you need to do, you must enter of our username banned account. Okay, I show you in this nickname, and now as you can see, the next step is click button, press button generate and enjoy. Okay, after click button generate, as you can see, everything is generated. After complete, our account will be unbanned. So it's awesome updated method, and now as you can see, everything is work. Now I unban my Mobile Legends account. So how to get Mobile Legends plus application for your device? It's very simple. Open browser, go to this website Zeno app. After scroll down or type this the Mobile Legends. Press button install. Now wait to finish this process because the last step is human verification. After confirm every step from this verification, for your device will be installed Mobile Legends plus, and this application works for Android and iOS device in 2023. So enjoy and thank you for watching.